Hey ho weirdos, and welcome to this new video! I'm Sequestion and today we're back with another cosplay tutorial for Haru from Beastars. But this time it will be very accurate because I made it for my little Haru! In my opinion, involving your pets in cosplay is a lovely thing and I couldn't resist saying that. I remind you that you can also watch the video in Italian and check my channel for the other cosplay tutorials. The video is finished. I remind you to check my pages, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and much more. The single link is in the description. You will find the photos of the cosplay and I remind you that if you like the video, leave a like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Bye!